Hey, good morning. Oh, good morning from the back 40. This is Mama Juju. It's real early in the morning here, so I got up, heard the little phone ding, looked. Kim had put a video on, so I watched it. So this is um, hashtag Happymailmovement. So Kim set the challenge out, and I picked it up bright and early this morning. So on Kim's video, Junk Journals DIY tutorial for her hashtag uh, Techniques Tuesday, Part 22, Bookpage Envelope Swap, hashtag Happy Mail Movement. I came on telling you about it. Like I said, it's early, and I forgot I didn't push record. So I put the envelope together and labeled it and all that good stuff, and went to make sure y'all could see it, and it was black. So anyhow, I'm gonna link Kim's video down below and in the description. Also in the description, I copied an excerpt from her video explaining the Happy Mail. I took out the whole little quote and put down in the description part of right before her link to her video. So what it is you're gonna make an envelope out of a book page of some sort, and this is the Grand Canyon, and inside it is several different pictures of the Grand Canyon and spots. And inside it, I put this little piece of the back 40 that's into her, and it is just envelope size Happy Mail. She said to keep it under 30 grams, which I think for us in the United States, to be able to send it to Canada and around the world and everything, with just the price of just regular postage, it has to be up under like an ounce or so. Just flat letter size stuff, nothing bulky, just flat letter. You take it to your post office just to make sure. And you have to use a regular stamp. So I will drop this in the mail this morning on my way to work, because I have to go into the big town to get the pretty stamps, because we don't have pretty stamps down here. Anyway, I was going to finish up the decorating. You can decorate the envelope. It needs to be anywhere from postcard size to the letter 10 legal envelope size. Anything bigger than that, they're going to charge you for the large envelope. Put some glue on this because I want it to stay. And I'm decorating it with my little man. His little hand's going to come up out this mountain with his hat that he's taken off to Miss Kim for doing this collaboration. There you go. Hats off to you, girlfriend. And then I have another one, and I want to put it on the front of my envelope. Now, when you make your envelope, you have to be sure to have a label here. So I put my 3 fingers. This has to be blank. You can't decorate this spot. It needs to be a label. Then I would put my 3 fingers here. This has to be the label section. Okay? Then I put my big old thumb up here. This has to be the stamp section. Everything else is fair game. But you can't interfere with this part or this part. But everything else, including the back, is fair game. And go watch her video that's linked down below. She explains everything in a lot more detailed. I also, since I jumped on this wagon train, because it sounds like such good fun, It's be fun. Of course, I think with 35 of us going strong, so it'll be real good fun for us, because it's not that many of us. But so I am going to tag Big Mama. Big Mama, tag you it, girlfriend. Big Mama's channel is linked down below in the description as well. Run over there, give her some love, subscribe, watch her videos. We love Big Mama. And Big Mama, click on Kim and see if you're going to pick this gauntlet up, girlfriend. Bye from the back 40. Hope you have a great and wonderful day and get you some craft time in. Mwah. Hugs and love.